Hi everyone, it's the editor here from robinhooddashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always, are enjoying the videos. Just thought I'd put together a quick unscripted fan channel update video just to bring you up to speed of everything that's been going on and also some new stuff. So first of all, thank you so much to everyone that's found the new channel from the old one, and everyone that's new here as well to Robin Hood Dashcam. Thank you so much. There's nearly 2,000 of you now, so thank you. 8 months ago I restarted this after I was previously demonetized. Thank you very much, YouTube. But yes, thank you so much for everyone that's come over. I really do appreciate your support in my attempt to grow this minnow of a channel into something bigger, and I can't do that without you guys, so thank you for that. In addition to that, something new. As of the 2nd of June, I have set up a Buy Me a Coffee page. If you're unfamiliar with this, essentially it's a website you can go onto, and if you'd like, you can chuck me a couple of pounds, a couple of quid, and yeah, that's just basically an acknowledgement of my efforts. What I'm going to do with that money, though, is I'm actually going to go and buy drinks and coffees with it, and I'll put together a little bit of a tongue-in-cheek review video as well. It's not a mass attempt to, generate loads of profit on your good donation and good charitable intentions. No, I'll be doing some little drink reviews with it, so that should be a bit of a laugh and some slightly different content from me. So hopefully that'll be interesting. Other than that, thank you so much to everyone that's taken the time to send in their videos. Really do appreciate it. And a reminder that you can send content to Robin Hood Dashcam through email, through WhatsApp, through Discord, through Facebook, through Instagram. All this information is below. I will look at anything sent in and consider anything to be posted, and that's not just clips. We also post photos and other clips and other media on our Instagram page as well, so anything that is welcome and will be considered. That's all for now, folks. Thank you very much for clicking on the video. Have a lovely Sunday, and I'll see you soon for another compilation video. Take care. Bye-bye.